Alright, this is a copy of what your assignment looks like on Go Formative. I'm going to show you what I want with number 1. So on number 1, I asked you write the domain number with the range, and you're going to click on the number 1 where it says edit work, and it's going to show you where to write. So what you're going to write is, you're going to write the number that connects to the other number. So 0 connects to 3. 3 goes to 2. 5 goes to 4. And 8 goes to 2. Okay, once again, you're going to write this in the number 1 section of your Go Formative assignment. And you can write it on the screen, and you're going to write that 0, 3, 3, 2, 5, 4, 8, 2. Now, the next thing for the number 2 answer choice, is it a function or not a function? So you're going to go back and look at the x's only. The x's only. So, and I would say them because you'll hear it if it repeats. 0, 3, 5, 8. And you're going to ask yourself, do any x's repeat? Nope. So you would put it's a function. Okay? If an x repeats, it's not a function. Okay? So that's the most important thing. If the x repeats, it is not a function. Nothing repeated here, so it's a function. So number 1 was write the domain with the range number, like we did right here. And then the second part is it a function or not a function? And that's where if the x repeats, it is not a function. And then you'll do the rest online. Also message me if you have any questions or can't log on or need help.